rest of the morning and most of the day. So this is as warm.
It's the first day of Traverse City Autocross. It's kind of miserable. It's about 50 degrees and raining. I think he said there's almost 100 cars here. We tacked a ton, had a ton of check-in. Driver's meeting now. We don't do this every time, but they're going to do a parade lap today, which means you low speed get to drive through the course. Super helpful for beginners, super helpful for me. You know, I've done a lot of autocrosses in the last few years, but I still consider myself a beginner because I'm not a driver and I'm not competitive. I just like to have fun, but I have been working all morning, so I haven't got to walk the course at all or anything, so. I'm a big believer in the let's go slow the first rip, find the course. It is pretty miserable weather, but I am having an absolute riot. Tons of ride-alongs. I gotta get my helmet cam set up. I'm concerned with that, but having a good time. It's raining, so we're sliding a bit, but the car's all-wheel drive. So if you're sketched out at any point, don't be afraid to be like, slow down, and I'll just ease it through the rest of it.
What'd you think?
That was fun.
Yeah? I'm glad you liked it, dude. Traverse City Autocross Day 2. It is, my thermometer says it's 55 degrees. It feels like it's about 25 degrees. It is freezing cold. I have a hoodie, long johns, my winter coat on, and I'm still freezing, but doesn't matter. We're having fun. Yesterday was kind of wet. We were slipping and sliding, but had fun. Got 10th fastest overall, and I'm not really a competitive person. I could care less about rankings, but sounds cool to say. Usually I'm middle of the pack. After the mods over the winter, it picked up, so pretty stoked. The car is 2017 C43 AMG. It's tuned by AMR Performance, has a Nostrom high performance E85 fuel system. It's about 500 horsepower to all four wheels. Optima battery yellow top. It was wrapped by Epicenter Graphics up here in northern Michigan. Rev Auto and Truck trackside support. Has Enkei Raijin wheels and Continental ExtremeContact Sport-02s. The tires were hating life yesterday, but they held up good, so should be another fun day. I can't wait, and I can't wait to get some reactions here. That felt fun. Back at the 55s.
God damn.
Smell those brakes too.
Yeah.
Todd and I are doing an experiment. He's gonna drive my car for a lap. I'm gonna drive his car for a lap. Is it called a lap in autocross? What do you call it? A pass?
Yeah. I'm gonna drive it.
I expect you to.
I'm gonna drive the center. I've been waiting to drive this
What's it
car.
called? Drive it like you stole it.
I'm gonna drive it like I stole it. That's been my motto for many things in life. We're going for 54.
54?
Because I did a 55.
Oh.
she slides.
Shuts off.
I'm going.
Gotta put it in gear, muffler.
Uh-oh.
Love it.
No cone. No cone. Holy cow. She slides.
I told you. You
When
make
the
it up on the
turbo
straight.
spool, she goes.
That's what the tune helps so much getting the boost.
Holy cow, she's a lot to handle. Oh, gotta turn.
You turn too tight, you gotta let it. That was kind of hilarious.
I was like, oh.
78, but we stopped for a solid 15 seconds in the middle of the course.
See, she's got some juice.
Driver mod didn't work
She's
for
got
him
some
on that one.
juice to her. Oh my god, like
It wasn't a DNF.
right
That time.
perfectly around on course.
It's all-wheel drive, you're good.
Oh my goodness, dude, that was wild. A little too much mustard.
Wow, this thing just goes.
It was fun, thank you.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
What a weekend. So that was the Furrin Group first and second Traverse City Autocross of 2025. All packed up. I actually skipped the awards, ran home early, and got the Escalade so that we can take the club trailer back to Curtis's house, and I had a riot. It's always a fun time. I'm out of breath and I'm tired, but awesome. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and today we were number 6 fastest of the day, so that's pretty sick.